Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of a Fab Fit Fun Box and show you what's in that. It's a quarterly subscription, so it's a seasonal usually. And I've been getting it for a while, and usually I just love what's in it and I use it. And if it's not something I use, it's great for a gift for someone. Usually I end up giving it away for Christmas or, holding on to it for a while for a birthday. It usually works out pretty well for me. But most of the time it's stuff that I love. It's you can kind of customize what you want as far as what comes in the box, but it's usually a surprise. So it's like Christmas all the time. So I wanted to show you what was in it today. So there at the top, there's usually a bunch of, some flyers and things. This time there's some stickers, so that's cute. And usually there's an offer of some kind. So this one's for HelloFresh, gives you a deal off of that. So that's kind of fun. So let's see what we've got in the box today. So we have, it's a really light box. I'm not sure what's in it. So we have a cup in the shape of a cactus. That's a little odd. Yeah, it's a cup. So yeah, sometimes they aren't super great. Usually they're really, really good though. So I don't know if this, I don't know. We'll have to see what else is in here. So there's a cup, I guess, in a weird shape. It's purple, I guess. I like purple. That's good. And then we have beauty rounds. So I guess these are for makeup. So they're reusable instead of throwing away the cotton rounds. Maybe I'll research these a little more. If you know what they are, what they do, comment down below in the comments and tell me how to use them. So those are there. Also purple, which is good. And then we have a moisturizing hand scrub. And let's see. So it's usually pretty good brands. It smells good. So that's fun to try. And we have a, black soap sea mud deep cleansing bar. So let's see. Oh, so it's face. It's for the face. For your face, not the face. So I like the packaging. I think it's pretty. That's cute. Yeah. Okay. And then we've got a couple of these milk makeups. I've heard of this brand, but I don't know a whole lot about it. So one's a serum, a brightening serum, and the other is a face mask. Yeah, those will be fun to try. I like watermelon. That's a fun scent. And oh, that's pretty. I like the packaging. That's cute. All right. So there's those. And then we have a clean luxury hair mask. I tend to use these quite a bit because I only wash my hair like once, maybe twice a week. So I tend to use a mask or some sort of deep conditioner hair mask. So that'll be good to try. And the question is, does it smell good? Yeah, it smells good. And then we have tweezers with pouch. Guess you can never have too many tweezers, I guess. That's cute. Oh, that's a cute tweezer set. That's cute. All right. I feel like maybe they could have come up with a better name for it though. Tweezers with pouch. It's pretty generic, but that's okay. It's cute. And then we have a daily planner by Still Mill. And it comes with some highlighters. Maybe I should use my tweezers and stab it, open it. There we go. Ooh, it's a fun texture. I don't know if you can tell. from their video there, but it's kind of, it's texture, it's pretty. Oh, and some stickers and some pens. Oh, some highlighters, it looks like, to go with your planner. And, oh, looks like we've got, so some today, oh, so there's, oh, that's kind of a clever way to do it. So it's got to-dos and top priorities. So it's a pretty straightforward planner. It's not very, it's pretty basic, which I like. That's a good way to go about it instead of having like a million things to do all at once. So that's good. Okay, great. Well, so that's our Fab Fit Fun box. This is the spring box. So that's, you know, one of their springy colors. So yeah, I will comment down below if you know what to do with these. And I'll give these a try. And I will say usually it's a little bit more as far as like number of products, but it usually ends up being that the products are more expensive, so it's less based on value of the products. Anyway, I'm not sure how the plastic cup rates in that though. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.